Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. Now let's move on to the question I have here, and the question is help needed to improve conversion rate despite good CTR. For those who don't know CTR, it means click through rate, and it is being determined like if I get 100 views and I get 5 clicks, so it's a 5% CTR. And if I get 200 views and get 20 clicks, so I'm gonna divide clicks by view, so which is going to give me 10% CTR. And same over here, I'm gonna divide like this over here, I'm gonna 5% CTR. CTR means click through rate for those who don't know, and I hope that majority of the people know it. So now let's move on to the question. Hi Ali Raza, I'm currently facing an issue. I have a solid CTR around 15% with my Google Ads campaign, which is divided into 3 categories: general, more general items like dentist plus city. Second is orthodontics. Orthodontics, for I know, but if people don't know, orthodontics is actually a specialization in a dental field. And the third is implants, dental implants, price, etc. Although I believe I'm getting a good CTR, I would like to improve my conversion rate. If anyone could provide feedback on my landing page, I would greatly appreciate, as I feel a bit lost. Additionally, could there be other reasons besides the landing page that might explain the low conversion rate? The landing page is in Spanish, but I think the structure is clear regardless of the language. Thanks in advance. Okay, so now because the landing page is in Spanish, you have to turn on language on your Google Ads account to Spanish only. First thing you have to do is to work around on this. Second thing is uh, for landing page, also you didn't share the link with me, but landing page optimization could be, being after doing a third review. But in case if you can do it, I hope you must be doing it. Google business profile and reviews must be linked with your Google Ads account and your landing page. So what happens is that in case if you can link your reviews with your Google Ads account, what happens is your ads will be optimized. For instance, this is a simple ad, but in case if I can show my advertiser rating, that makes my ad more convincing. So there is over here that you need to have your ad Google business profile linked with Google Ads account, and you can also show those reviews on your landing page as well. Now you can also do ad optimization. Ad optimization is like the view extension, pricing or a promo extension, plus location extension. I think these things, make your ad more authentic in the eyes of the consumer. If I'm going to show you, authenticity is increased. If I see the price extension, location extension, you can see that how a normal ad turned into a very appealing ad for the consumer. You can see over here. So having to ad optimization plays a crucial role in optimizing your conversion rates. So my suggestion over here is to do this thing. Apart from this, if you can optimize your landing offer. Also do comparison with your competitors, like your ad copies versus theirs, your keywords, your bidding versus them, your landing page versus them. I mean, you can get so much data on how you can optimize and how you can see over it. And also because you can see that, because you said that you have got a solid CTR around 15%, look around, out of those 15%, which people are buying. If you can get those set on out of 15%, optimize it. Spend more money on keywords generating more sales, and at which hours, which days. Spend more money and spend less on off peak hours when the conversions are low. Reduce your spending reduce your money, or if possible, simply stop spending on the time, on the date, on the location you are not getting good conversions. These are few of the things. Again, a detailed insight can tell me a lot of things. There could be account structure which needs optimization. So, but having your language being turned on is most important. Language, language being uh, turned on to Spanish is very important. And apart from this, these are few other things. But again, I may be missing something right now. But whenever I do a detailed audit, we get to know, oh, this is we are missing, because we have a 100 steps plus checklist for the audit. And in case if you or the audience wants us to hire for the Google Ads audit setup or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. I hope you like this solution. But in case if you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.